Hello everyone. This video is about the level editor for the Sort Match puzzle game, which is available on the Unity Asset Store. It comes with an easy and powerful level editor with just a few simple steps. Your level will be ready to play. For now, we have a separate scene for our editor. Go to Tools Level Editor. This will open a separate editor window. If your level editor scene isn't open by default, you'll see a button. Click on it to open the level editor scene. You'll notice a list of levels already included in this asset. Currently, there are 100 unique levels available. Let's start with some setup. Place the level editor window beside the game window for easy access. Next, go to your game view and set the resolution to 1080x1920, which is our default portrait resolution. Make sure every level you create is designed in this resolution for the best visual results. Now, check other levels. Simply select any level from the list and it will appear in the scene view. If you click on any created object, you'll see in the inspector that multiple colorful blocks are available. Let's now create a new level, a fresh one from scratch. You can change the level index and moves or keep them as they are. Adjust the move count according to your level's difficulty. You can see these changes directly in the game screen. Next is the block box count. This determines how many boxes you want in your level by default. Let's select 6 and then set the box size. After setting it, click Add Block Boxes. Now 6 boxes are added in the scene with a height of 8. You can change their positions manually in the scene or adjust positions directly from the inspector. I usually prefer to change positions from the inspector. So select all boxes using the Shift key and adjust their Y position to center them properly. Perfect. Now let's change the size. You can adjust the size of each box individually. By default, the size is 8, but you can modify it to any value using the slider. I'm now changing box sizes one by one to make the level layout look more attractive. Next, it's time to add new blocks inside these boxes. Just click on the color sprite and it will be added to the scene. You can also remove blocks, toggle their visibility using the checkbox or reorder them by dragging and dropping in the list. In the Locked Blocks tab, you can select any block to make that entire box locked. You can also change the lock count, remove items, or reorder them just like in the Game Blocks tab. You can even add multiple objectives inside a locked box. Now quickly let's set up an example level. In the first block, I'll add some red blocks in Locked Block tab. The first box will unlock when you match 3 red blocks. In the last box, it will unlock when you match 3 of another color. So the first and last boxes will start as locked in the game. To make this level a bit more challenging, I'll make some blocks invisible. Make sure the top same color remains visible. Click on Validate. If you don't get any warnings, your level is ready to save. Validation is successful. Now click Save Level and the new level will also appear in the file list. Let's test it. Click Play to check if the level works correctly. Perfect! It's working great. Now stop the game and reopen the level editor. If you ever want to duplicate a level, for example, if you want to copy level 93, simply change the level index to a new number 102, then click Save. Change the number of moves if needed and save again. Now level 93 has been duplicated as level 102. If you want to delete any level, just select it from the list and click Delete Selected Level. Confirm the deletion and it's gone. Let's explain validation rules and warnings. Now let's go through some important validation rules. As I mentioned earlier, the top color block must not be invisible. If you make it invisible and click Validate, you'll get a pop-up that says, Level validation failed. Some boxes have top blocks marked as invisible. It will even mention details like box name, block box 2 color index 11 is invisible. That means this color must be visible. So uncheck the invisible checkbox to make all top blocks visible. Now, if you validate again, there will be no errors. If you add an extra box and forget to move it, leaving it overlapping another block, it will be automatically removed during validation or saving. Validate Level button only checks the level for issues, while Save Level button validates and saves at the same time. Make sure there are no overlapping boxes in your scene. Another validation rule: if any color count is not a multiple of 3, you'll get a warning. For example, color index 6 has a count of 1, not a multiple of 3. This helps ensure Match-3 consistency in gameplay. It's also not allowed to have 3 or more or identical colors stacked vertically on top of each other. If you do this and click Validate, you'll see an error message like, some boxes contain 3 or more consecutive blocks with the same color. The console log will even mention the exact block box number, position, and color index. Now for locked blocks, if you assign a color in a locked objective that doesn't exist anywhere else in the level won't save. For example, block box 1 unlocked objective, color index 7, count 3, but found 0 in other boxes. That means this color isn't present in your playable blocks. If you've made changes but don't want to save them, simply close without saving. And that's it. This is the simple and easy level editor for the sort match puzzle game. You can build, validate, and save levels quickly with all the checks to ensure smooth gameplay. Thank you so much for watching. If you want this complete, attractive, and fully functional game template, visit the link in the description below